Yo, what's the dealio, man? Listen, you already know I got a straight banger for you today, all right? Hey, y'all, today was another one of them days. It was another one of them days, all right? The market went absolutely crazy, all right? Money was made. And listen, what did I tell y'all? QQQ, what did I say? 626. We at 628 right now. Market about to close. Okay. So in this video, what I want to talk about is the trend is your friend. All right, how to ride a trend, y'all. Okay. I'm gonna teach y'all how to ride a trend. Okay. So nothing that I say in this video is financial advice. If you want financial advice, be sure to talk to a licensed financial advisor, y'all. Okay. I have no claims, none of that. People are changing their life in the Discord, but I have no claims, okay? Now, with that being said, it's no secret that the market been going crazy over the past, 5 trading days, 3 to 5 trading days, okay? It's been going absolutely bonkers, insane, all right? Now, with that being said, it is imperative for you guys to not chase puts, okay? If you are in a clear downtrend, don't chase calls. If you're in a clear uptrend, don't chase puts, right? Stop trying to get ahead of the move. Now, when I say don't chase calls or puts, what I'm saying is you got to wait until the structure breaks, okay? So what we're going to talk about is just that, all right? I got some examples. Now, if you was not on last night's live, you missed the layup. I gave y'all a straight up layup. Okay, told y'all about QQQ. All right, I told y'all what to do. If y'all hit QQQ, let me know in the comments. All right. So today was another day that your life could have changed in the market. Okay. Now, with that being said, uptrends and downtrends. Right now, we are in a short-term uptrend. Okay. The market has been going insane. Right. I'm talking about insane, gap and goes like crazy. Okay. So y'all know what that means. That means that we got some gaps. We've been going. So we're going to come down and fill these gaps. But what I want you guys to pay attention to is the actual structure, okay? So it doesn't matter the stock. Let's look at the structure of these stocks, okay? Now, let's start with IWM, right? So we're going to start with IWM and then we're going to mosey our way on over to some other joints. All right, so right here we got IWM on the 30-minute, okay? Now we are in a clear uptrend right here, right, y'all? Clear uptrend, okay? So when you're in an uptrend, what you want to do is you want to find where the high is at, all the highs. So you go like this, right? Where did it peak at? Okay, boom. Okay, so these are all the highs. Okay, come down a little bit, boom. All right. Now, where are all the lows at? Okay, so we start right here, and then we come down here. All right, boom, right? Now, as long as we are inside of here, we are in an uptrend. All right, simple as that. Simple as that. Anytime we touch this bottom line, anywhere in the uptrend and we start to go up, you take calls and you ride it to the upside. Simple as that, okay? Now, you can do this on any time frame. Daily, 30-minute, hourly, it don't matter. It does not matter, okay? So, IWM, you see where it came down right here. And then look what happened, it popped right back up. Until we get outside of this channel, do not enter inputs. Now you could have got a little move from here from 269.85 to 268.20, right? 268.91, so about an 80-cent move. But I mean, look at the movement, yo. So until we get outside of this, do not take entry, okay? Now, that's on the 30-minute, right? But what you could also do is you could create this on the 5-minute, right? So let's go to, let's just say yesterday. Let's say you're day trading, right? All right, so boom, so come here. All right, boom. Let's say the stock was going, you know what I'm saying? You had it was in an uptrend. Let's say this happened right here, right? So boom, you go on a boom right here, right? Boom. All right. And then you get right here, go like this, right? Boom. So, right? Then you can see, okay, where is this stock going at? If we come down and then we bounce up, boom, right? I could enter in and then ride it to the upside because I know we made a higher low. This is a higher low right here, right? And then boom, we go higher, right? Because you see this was a low. Now this is a higher low, right? Simple as that, right? So then you could do it like that, right? If you're looking at day trades. If you're looking at swings, you could go on a 30-minute or even on day trades as well, okay? But you could do it like that, y'all, right? Go back to the 30-minute, right? So that's IW and look at QQQ. We call it this banger, right? Look at that, right? Let's come down to the 15 real quick, right? What are we gonna do? We're gonna draw this out. The lows right here. Gonna make it touch the lows. All right, cool, boom. Go to the highs right here. Right, boom. All right, perfect. Now, look what happens. Right? It came down here, right there. This morning, that's where it touched at. Bounces, boom. Right? As long as we stay inside of this channel, we're going up. I don't care about any red candles, none of that. We're going up. Period. As long as that, we're going up. And look what happened. We've been going up since. Right? Making higher lows. Right? And we just been moseying our way up. Higher low right here. Look what happened. Boom, boop. Right? From 626.30 pops up to 628. That's 100% trade right there at the end of the day, right? So this is how you could play the game, y'all. So you get in on the higher lows, right? Entry, right? Entry, okay? Entry, right? These are all entries. Enter right here. Enter right here, psh. Enter right here, psh. Right? That's how you do that. Enter right here, psh. Right? Enter right here, psh. Right? So what do I say? When you're getting into calls, right? When you're getting into calls, don't enter into a call until you see red candles. Because that lets you know that the stock has already pulled back and then you see it bounce off of a level and go higher, right? Don't enter into calls until you see red candles. Because if you're looking to get in calls and you see red candles and then it starts to go green, you already know the red has happened, so your drawdown has already happened, right? That's how the game goes, okay? Do not enter in calls until you have seen red candles because that means that it has been proven that it's not going lower. Don't enter into puts until you've seen what? Red candles. Okay? I mean green candles. Right? You want to ensure that the opposite direction has been invalidated and then you can enter into the direction that you're going into. Right? This is how we play the game. The trend is your friend. Right now, we in a crazy uptrend. I think that we about to, you know what I'm saying, sometime this week, we're going to see a crazy red day. We're going to see some crazy red days because we got a lot to retrace. But while we doing this, hey, we're gonna ride the hell out of the market because the market been going crazy. All right? But the trend is your friend, y'all. I remember when I started trading, I would get cooked on days like this because I would be like, it has to come down. It has to come down. Nope. It don't got to come down until it's time for it to come down. So until it doesn't come down, let me ride it up. That's a shift I had to make in my mentality. Stop trying to front load it. Oh, it's going to come down this day. It's going to, listen, when you know and your intuition gets strong, that's cool. But when we talking about seeing an uptrend and we looking at technical analysis and this and that channel, do not sit here and be like, oh, it's going down. Because you're just going to get absolutely cooked. All right? So listen, y'all. We got a lot to talk about on live tonight, so be sure to be on live tonight. All right? I told y'all what was going to happen with QQQ. Hey, I hope y'all hit it and y'all got it. All right? Like I always say, make sure you get up out your head. Go get into this world because your head is a dangerous place to live. All right? And also remember, y'all, the more you study, the less you worry. All right? Y'all have a great day. I'm going to holler at you guys later on tonight on live and on tomorrow's video. Y'all stay smooth, man. Peace.